they have and all of these things. You know what I mean? And try to be like him, try to be rebellious and all of these things. Dude, yo, and then you say you don't have not, you don't take anything from him. The people that will run it down and kill him.
May I represent for one MEDIAFACTS. MEDIAFACTS, MEDIAFACTS. How the latest news them lock. MEDIAFACTS, MEDIAFACTS. Trending, nah stop. MEDIAFACTS, MEDIAFACTS. How the latest report them.
People are gone. You don't know MEDIAFACTS, you know? Yeah, man. How come for talk the facts and talk the thing? You see? Yeah, man. But people, I don't know if you remember, you know, but you remember one artist named DEMARO? Come have to raise him from the dead, you know. Yeah, man. Right now, he might drop music, nothing. But look at people. Remember, you know, I go wake up the dead now. See? Because Alkaline they forward out, right? And make a speech. See? So, you know, Alkaline did an interview. See? People, I play the interview.
The thumbs up.
Big up man like Mova and them man, them see them man they do them thing. Big up man like Acting. So me I say, and the regular man big up artists and them thing about. You don't know, we have to give them man, give credit where it is due. So me I say, so them I do it. Yeah, every other artist last.
Just watch it a while ago. So Alkaline say, yo, him rate Mova and Acting. See? And him say everybody else last. See? And this is the thing. Alkaline Chuakan, remember you know? Alkaline young, you know. Zine, remember you know? Alkaline say everybody else last. DEMARO pick it up on himself. He pick up the can. See? Can remember you know? Things are going for Alkaline and thing. So you know see a lot of them bad mind Alkaline. See? So DEMARO him now. Come out. See? Chat one bag of thing. And never know say in a 2025 he is nowhere to be found. See? Look at now people. So basically, back in the days, they don't know 96 and them as I bring on Alka, so them put him on an interview. Zine? But look on whether we must have on the interview.
Alkaline. He's the artist that tattooed eye.
Oh, the black guy you there.
Yes.
Nothing to him.
Talk your mind, sir.
Not nothing to him.
No, from what we know, eyes still working and stuff. What are your thoughts on the music and
music?
Yeah, and career path so far?
Career. Career. Where?
One up.
Career bottom.
Yeah, me kind of flop on some festive.
You flop everyone, man. Cause you want
know.
Zine? When you just see the interview, when you realize say yo, them asking about Alka and Black Boy and Ray. Zine? And he might go say, oh yo, I don't know who not talk. Oh, the black eye one there. Zine? So he must say, alright. I say, yo, he might go last. Remember you know? He say, yo, Alkaline have last. And Ray. Zine? But look here people. Where is DEMARO in 2025?
Subscribe now.
When last?
What me say?
DEMARO get a hit song.
Subscribe now.
In people? This is the thing, you know. You see all of the artists them when did BADMINE and I throw shades and I try bring down and Ray and man figure ratings back then. When I realize all of them career is nowhere to be found. When I read between the lines, people. DEMARO, where I think this was done earlier in like 20 I think at around down in time 20 16 so are them with it. Zine? It's around about 2016 or so. Is what I try to say, and him go up on Nightly Fix and him ask me, oh, what do you think about Alkaline when him carry on Ray? Him say Alkaline some last. But people, where is DEMARO? The same artist will say Alkaline have a last. Then bury him. Then bury him career. When last him get a hit? Right? Remember, you know, we don't hear about him or whatsoever. But we have to show you in a life, people.
What me say?
You see, when you fight youths, remember say the youths are the future. And remember say what you bring out in the world, it rebound upon a career. Because back then when they usually say, yo, Alkaline career got last, him got last, and this him not gonna reach no far. Who van them call up in the media? Who are sell out shows? Who have them own a show keep all over the world? DEMARO. When last we see your book for your show? When last you ever book for your show in Jamaica? What the show them the way you are do? You see in a life, we will never put out bad words to people, to youths, because everything will go ricochet back to you. You understand? But people, this are the thing, you know, all of them with this Alkaline. And some of them back then, through them bow to Kartel, you know. Zane, through them bow to Kartel, them I come out and I say, yo, him a living a man style and rare. But want to know watch the next piece of clip here.
Build a thing, you see me? Yeah, this all a man with in a prison. The people, them artists, like Jamaica, them not give Kartel for nothing.
True.
You see me? And you have style, man.
And I bite him style too. And nah, admit
the man,
say inspired by him, yeah.
Everything. The man that sing like him, a talk like him, a try to do interview like him, everything. And I hear this the man on top of it.
You don't hear them attack. Him talk about, yo, I'm living in this man style. He must say this man walk. Him do interview like him and rare and one bag of thing. Right? This is the thing, people. I don't know how I'm next man. I look into a next man so if he say him a walk, him a do interview like him a do this, I don't know. But the thing is that DEMARO love Vybz Kartel so much where him know everything exact what Kartel do. And Alkaline do the same. Cause I never know say man could do interview like man and walk like man and rare like man. You understand? But this is the sheep mentality. Zane? That's the thing. And this is why you see when them bring down artists to prep up the next man, for them career just drop bluff. You understand? Because at the end of the day, you know what? Move out. Tell DEMARO, what the fuck?
And then when them hear artists say Movado and I acting, some artists sit down and vex. So when I vex for, go sit down man and pit me man. We know another league there. There's level.
See? Yeah, we have to just make Movado tell him some. Cause I don't know how this man in them feelings are one bag of thing. Is what I try to say. This man in them feelings because Alkaline say him big up Ayacti and Movado. Everybody else last. If you know say you know last, why you getting your feelings? You understand? Why you are getting your feelings? And this is the thing, you know, people. Him getting them feelings, you know. Zane, I understand if him feel a way about that. Which no make no sense. But when you go talk about man, I live in a next man's style and him a diss the Gaza fan about people go kill him and one bag of something them him a talk about rare. Because you know why with them have to bow, you know, because them afraid that the Gaza fan them. You understand? Them afraid that the Gaza fans. And this is why their career don't last. Because them put somebody above for them career. You understand? You got to talk about man in a jail and one bag of something rare. One man a road have to do it man in a jail about disrespect. I don't understand that. What Alkaline disrespect Kartel with? True man same rate Kartel like any other artist? But that do not try to say cause the thing is that you know, some of the artists love this Kartel special ratings and praises and bow down to him. And that's why the career get tush. When the career no reach anyway. You understand? After a while, it no go a 10-year span. You understand? It no the career no do 10 years because when you saw into a next man or under a next man arm as him class him arm them no get squish. You understand? But
where it's doing, you know what I mean?
Do you think he's believing his own hype a bit too much?
Yeah, he is. But the thing is that why you gonna hype if you're in somebody else's image? It's like there's nothing to hype about. You're in Vybz Kartel image. Like come on. And you're not giving him props for it. That's the thing. You're trying to disrespect Vybz Kartel like everybody, and you bleach out same way. You have the one bag of tattoo them same way. You have the ear now, long ear where Kartel they have, and all of these things. You know what I mean? And try to be like him, try to be rebellious and all of these things, dude. Yo, and then you say you don't take anything from him. The people that will run it down and kill him.
Many people.
We understand with that and we see certain things. Here's what I try to say. But you bring down the youth. I try to bring down the youth for your next man and in your feelings. I never know say your career was right there to be vanish. You understand? Somebody cannot tell me when last MC DEMARO on a show perform. In life, we take a look out for the youths, stop bring down youths. You understand? Because you see, bring down the own energy. Look at your career now. You say Alkaline last, but where is yours? Alkaline him still a call up to them, still a sold out shows. Him still having big show keep all over the world. Where is your career? You understand? As an elder, or as a man when in the game how long, when you come out and with the feelings, and you alone in your feelings. Alkaline say something, but you alone feel a way about it. What? Is it the truth? Or what? Come in here, nobody come out and say anything. You understand? Kartel that if Alkaline say, yo, the other rest last. If them want to take it up, take it up. If you know not run the place, and another man say last, I saw when him say something, it's so true till it hurt, you know. You understand? But people, I'm making watch the next clip here, you know. See? Read this.
Things to say about another artist. I don't think you actually mentioned him by name, but it was pretty clear to everyone that it was Alkaline who you were referring to. Since then, I've heard you comment on him, and it seems there's something about him which really gets under your skin. Is that correct? And if so, what is it?
Well, he made a statement that Mavado and Ayactian is the only artist that hot besides him, and everybody else is lost. Everybody else lost. I'm like, you can't say that, dude. Are you gonna say that? Oh, you disrespect the whole music industry if you say that. You can't just disrespect people like that on TV because you want to get a hype. Know what I mean? Give people respect.
So basically, I just say him catching them feelings because the man has said this and rate and this and that, and is what I'm trying to say? Nah, make no sense. But this is the thing with these artists. Seeing? Them inner them feelings, them love prep up a man, and now them business boy how a next man feel, and the business boy how them feel. Them so focused on the next man career and now watch feed them career. And that's why them not reach far. You understand? Because the whole out, you know, Alkaline come expose the whole out and say, yo,
subscribe
really
now.
Bad man, you know, because at the end of the day, first of all, in them time when they mark them thing, then Massacre, I don't think Massacre they ever boss it. Because my Massacre did forgo at it, but Alkaline never pay none of them. They want war and do clash and way with the brother. The Alkaline never unite. You see me? But the thing is that him getting a film feelings and Ray and true him this is the thing, you know. You know why I'm run out to? Because he want to get the Gaza fans. So that's why him talk about the man fans and one bag of something and Ray. You understand? That's a film thing. See? But people, I'm going to see that next clip, yeah.
People would agree he's used controversy to achieve at least some of his success and popularity. Do you think this was a bad move on his part, or is it an example of clever self-promotion and marketing?
The only bad move he made is that he didn't give Kartel his props. Because if he did, you would have all the Gaza fans or everybody. But he didn't. You know what I mean? So a lot of people don't really like him. But I don't care. Honestly, I don't care.
So basically, he must say, yo, because if Alkaline did show Kartel homage, they would have more accept him and rape. Boy, me I tell it right. So where did DEMARO? You show Kartel homage, where your career then? Me go ask you again. You show Kartel homage, where is your career? DEMARO, you defend Kartel and you do one bag of thing. See? Why you care about some fans when I know your fans them there, right? Kartel come from jail. I never really hear Kartel a big up. I never see him call you on the stage. So all the way you did that do back then, for try to bring down Alkaline. What's the outcome? What's the benefit you get out of that? Eh? This is a thing when the career get ricochet. And years, nobody no hear no hit song or whatsoever. But then they get some big hit song and very. Last song make you know
subscribe
you
now.
get the one with you and
Must
say Akon.
subscribe
The
now.
Lamborghini song. After that, nothing. You understand? You know you nothing after that. You drop song, you release song, you go through the little clash thing with what name? Coyote and one of Footer Hype one time artist. Fully bad. You get one little forward there so. But that was no major nothing. Everybody pre that as just one little kind of shop business. But after that, you don't get no hit song out of that. Nothing you don't get. You understand? Nothing you don't get out of that. Nobody even really meds it. For sure you. Enough of uno we fight Alkaline. Zane, enough of uno we fight Alkaline. Enough of uno no make it for see. Basically, enough of uno career no make it for see 2025.
As an established artist, if you could offer him a few words of advice, what would they be?
Just do your music and stop going like you want this one bag of people. Because, you know what I mean? Music don't live for one somebody do it. You know what I mean? Today for you, tomorrow for me. So it going in life. So, you know what I mean? Know what you're doing. Know who you disrespect going up. Because when you go back down, that's wicked.
From Alkaline boss, all on no career where that try bring down the youth, forget the Gaza fan them for rate on no career no reach 2025. You understand? No for no career. And because when you doing at the past. You understand? Uno put man on top of uno. See? Yeah, because of that one. And sink on your own career. You understand? Uno know for do nothing without getting strength and this and Ray and this, that. You understand? And we are taking back to history class. And you know, you see long and you learn and you realize. I wonder how you feel now when you see Alkaline name a call up and him a dominate and him have him own shows. Eh? Remember in DEMARO, remember say you usually say him career go last, you know.
Subscribe,
remember, you know?
no.
Are you saying career soon last? But where is yours now? Sometimes when you talk down on people, remember say it can ricochet back. But uno, you understand? A solid thing set. You see it? Alkaline dominate right now for them boss. Come till now, the youth relevant. No matter what you try. You understand? And I just saw the thing said. But last question, DEMARO, where is your career now? People, who don't know, you know, yeah man a MEDIAFACTS man, and you don't know a touch, a beat and teach. Is what me I try to say? Yeah man, that is it.